Hey guys, what's going on? Street Trading coming at you yet again. This is our weekly trade watch list video for, what is it, 20th through 24th or something like that of September. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Anyway, got an very interesting week ahead. Obviously, we're looking at an hourly chart here of SPY. Interesting week in the fact that the ETF is getting tested at the 50 that which level has been holding all year, and it's looking a little heavy, guys. Looking a little heavy. Not calling tops at all. Relax, slow it down. But we are seeing some heaviness occur. That's all we got to say. We went into a little bit more of an in-depth analysis on our weekly recap video we just put up. If you haven't had a look, go check that out. We're not going to go ahead and say the same stuff, so go have a look at that if you haven't already. All right, let's get into this week's session. We got 9 going in. I have a couple that's carrying over from last week that are respecting some zones. I'm looking at a nice reversals, so should give some very nice risk to reward if it continues to unfold as we have planned. Remember, plan or trader plan. We have alerts on all of our levels where we anticipate price to breach. If and when that occurs, we put on risk. If not, we do not. We could be wrong on all 9 of these securities for a week session, and we don't put on risk. Or we get involved and we get stopped immediately. It doesn't matter. Point is, plan your trade. You don't get into anything unless you plan for it. All right, if you go into a session and not planning to execute at a particular level after seeing X, Y, and Z, then you are going to be trading like an emotional mess. Plan your trade, plan your entries, plan your exits, plan your stops, plan it all out. Okay? When you do that, you're not going to eliminate emotion, but you're going to be able to manage it. And that's the best way to manage the emotional aspect of this business, the psychological aspect of the business. Because guys, the strategy steps, all that shit, it's a small percentage of consistency. It's the psychology of the business that trumps it all. And obviously risk is part of that percentage. Psychologically, you have to have everything in order. And by doing that, it requires you to plan every execution, entries, exits, stops, all that stuff. So keep that in mind, guys. All right, you want to be a cowboy? Good luck to you. Consistently, week in, day out, week in, week out, month in, month out, year in, year out. You want to build a career? Stay organized, stay disciplined, plan out every single position. All right, guys, let's get into this week's session.